what's up? SexyIvy here, doing a little, basically a tutorial on how you can externally on the Xbox One capture to a USB device, basically any external storage device, be it a hard drive, etc., without the storage limitations. Because for storing games, you have to use USB 3.0 at, I believe it is 256 gigabytes. This also requires USB 3.0, but again, no storage limitations. I wouldn't use, like 2 gigabyte USB drive, etc. And this is specifically for recording on the Xbox and editing on the computer. You cannot use these clips, recordings, in Upload Studio, etc. And you can do up to an hour instead of 10 minutes. Because 10 minutes is shit, to be honest. But first, what you want to do, put your USB device in your PC, because you want to format it as if you're using it for a computer. So, if you type in format, what you want to do is get to create and format hard disk partitions. Hit enter. You're going to see 3 on mine. Got my solid state, my data drive, and then right here I already did it, but it's just a 16 gigabyte USB 3.0. And what you want to do is you can right click it. Formatting it will delete anything and everything on it, so you can just click format, name it whatever you want. You can just do a default quick, but the key thing is NTFS. It'll default to like FAT32, I believe. So NTFS, and then you would just hit OK, format it. I'm not going to do it since I already did. And then you'll be done. X out of here. And I've always told people, don't just unplug the USB device. Go down here, little arrow on the taskbar, and you'll see your USB device. This is how people mess them up after taking them out and plugging them back in, and it says it's messed up or whatever. It's because people removed it the incorrect way. Right way, right click it, eject it. Then it says it can be safely removed. Otherwise, if you're transferring something and you go to remove it and say I've went to hit eject, it'll flat out say, it's in the progress of doing something. But yeah, just a little tip. But I'm gonna plug it into my Xbox and get the Xbox up on my computer so we can see what we're doing. Be right back. Okay, on the Xbox now, and I just found out, I just plugged it in for a test. I plugged in the rear of my Xbox, which I also have a USB 3 1 terabyte, and the lower USB port, well, I plugged it in the upper, and it said basically it wouldn't work, so I'm assuming that's USB 2.0 port, so plug it in the side. So, there's the dashboard. I just had to pull it up on my computer, A lot of people be like, oh, it's like, no, it's the Xbox app. It's that simple. That simple. So, one moment. As you can see, that came up. What you want to do, and you cannot record, the past 1 hour. You can only be, once you start the game, you can record from whenever you start it, from that period on. So you can go to storage, and as you can see, internal, that's my capture location. I got my external, and there's the 16 gigabyte stick. Select that, set as capture location, and as I was saying, depending on the size of your storage device, game clips can be up to 60 minutes long. Connect the storage to your PC to view and edit captures there. Clips and screenshots captured on external storage can be viewed on this Xbox, but you cannot edit them in Upload Studio or share them on Xbox Live. You can share them to your OneDrive, which is pretty cool, so that we don't have to unplug your USB device, etc., to plug it into your computer. So as you can see, that is our capture location. And I'm going to open it up. And that's just a computer. I was formatting it, and I actually recorded something before I plugged it in. And you can, as you can see, it records damn good. So hopefully this is handy to people. I backed out right there, that's why the sound stopped. Just took a second to back out. So hopefully this is helpful to people. I personally thought you had to have at least a 256 gigabyte device, just like you had to have for games and apps, because it does not say that there is not a storage limitation. But as you can see, I just use a 16 gigabyte device. Just make sure it's USB 3 and make sure it's in the side USB port. If you want to try the back, I would do the lower. I know for a fact the upper port is USB 2, but I may be wrong about the lower back USB port. So, but again, hopefully it helps some people. I thought it was pretty cool. I'm gonna start using it myself, and of course you can go in there and set it to 720 or 1080, just like you would do with anything else. Broadcast and capture, advanced settings, bam. Then obviously once you're in the game, everyone should know how to do this. Basically, you just press the middle button, and right here in recent captures or whatever, it'll say X, and you can start recording, and then it'll actually say the time. So if it's recording for 1 minute, you can pull this up and it'll say 1 minute out of 1 hour. And this 16 gigabyte could in fact record up to 1 hour. So could use something smaller. I don't have anything smaller to try it with. But hope you guys have a good one. Take care, and I'll see you later. Peace.
Outside in the all black drop, 10 rolled up when I'm out. Say they all wanna live.